The Fambula Unakusho. Today is another beautiful day here in Bonthe district. We have traveled all the way to Bonthe Island to show you the beautiful lands, amazing landscape and stunning views you can get from above. That is why we are here to show you the beauty of this beautiful district.
I'm Francis Ganda. I'm a former councilor, Bonthe Municipal Council. I stay in a 60 Victoria Road, Bonthe. Then discovered this island in the 17th century. We family come here from Kailan districts. Then they can work with then colonial farms. Now they made that been found himself as one of the factors there. The clock tower, now one of the most historic objects within a Bonthe. About 300 kilometers, you meet the government hospital. Way back in 1927, even with first Prime Minister, when I been Dr. Sir Meeting Magai, he worked at this hospital. Get the PZ. They really do trade in piassava and palm kernel. Those were the two main important articles and where they use for take out of this country. In those days, we get what they call lighters. Then we get what they transport them. Then they go as far as hanging site. Beside it, in one village they call hanging side. Now there the ship in the car and stay. Then people here, they take them lighters and then load down and carry cassava or palm kernel to the ship where they take them directly overseas. This is now one of the most beautiful islands in this country here.
Bonthe Island, Bonthe district. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's great. We had a wonderful experience here. We hope you enjoyed the experience with us too. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, because this video is brought to you by Spark Media in collaboration with Salou Messenger. That is why you have to stay tuned. Subscribe, then you will get all the best content you need about Sierra Leone.